ESB, plumbing here, we're removing a 100-gallon water heater and replacing it with 2 Navian tankless water heaters. The brackets are installed leveled side by side so that the tankless water heaters can work in tandem. We made sure not to cause any damage along the way. Maneuvering up the stairs without damage was our goal here. Once the old water heater was gone, we began establishing connections to the new tankless units. We used copper press fittings and used brackets to run pipe along the exterior wall of the home. Copper press fittings allows us to work faster and safer. The water and gas lines leading towards the basement are now established. The new connections are made towards a booster pump and well tank. They provide this sizable home with adequate water pressure when multiple fixtures are on all at once. Here is the connection made on the existing gas line to supply the tankless water heaters. This is the condensation line for the 2 tankless units. They run off into a neutralizer. This is the complete scope of this tankless water heater install with condensate neutralizer, descaller, expansion tank and outdoor power outlet.